Hello, hello. So, while I'm setting this up, I like I want to show you. Maybe you heard about Vertex AI from Google. Nano Banana? No, no, no. Okay, good. So I will tell you about the media generation products that we have inside Google Cloud. And, well, I will briefly explain the products, and after that, I will show you how you can use them very easy in a nice interface. OK, so first of all, media generation. So with this, you can bring to life all the crazy ideas that you have, all the crazy scenarios that you have in your mind. You can just put there a prompt, and you will have them in a few seconds. It depends on how complicated it is. But nowadays, with all these shorts, reels, all these social medias, we have a lot of information, but our time as user, as consumer, is limited. So if you are representing a company that wants to be in the front of that user, to just pick you, or at least click your ad there, or your, I don't know, image there, and see more about you, you will need to fight for a few seconds from that time that the user has. And you'll fight with another companies, another ads providers, and so on. So you need to do something that will help you, to step in front of the others. So from our point of view, I think to do that, you need somehow to enter in this cycle. Yeah? So you are creating a brief on what you want to do, generating the content, activating the campaign, gathering the feedback, it's good, it's not good, and so on, strategy, and redo again. Well, with GenAI, with media generation, I think you can shorten this a lot and do this faster and faster. And for that, we have this suite of products. So Veo, Gemini Flash, Imagen, Lyra, Chirp, and so on. I will shortly explain a few of them, yeah? But before that, since they are hosted and they are running on Google Cloud, first of all, they are enterprise ready. They are safe. You have their governance in place to take care of who is accessing that one, who is accessing the content that was generated after that. Of course, we are putting there a watermark to differentiate the content generated by AI and for content generated by a real person. And of course, being on cloud, it's scalable, and you can easily integrate with your solutions via the APIs. So if to split what we have the models, yeah? Gemini 2.5 Flash, the Nano Banana. We have Veo for video generation, Imagen for image generation, and for the sound part, we have also Lyra and Chirp. After that, using like the basis for those products, we have some tools to create for the workflows. Like here, the one that I like a lot is virtual try-on. I will show you later how this is done. And after that, the part where you can integrate them with your inside your applications. Yeah. So first one, Gemini. Nano Banana. This one is mostly for the image manipulation. Let's say you want to edit or modify an image, or I don't know, to have a consistency of the character during a story. Yes, again, Nano Banana is doing very good for this one. You want to, again, you have an image, you have text, you want to get another image, a better one, a modified one. Again, Nano Banana is your product. Veo, of course, the one for video generation, and now I will play a few of them. This one, like the vertical setup, and after that, it also has the sound. Okay,
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might.
So
and she commands your awe
this
with
one
every breaking light.
Was fully generated with VO3, everything. Yeah. By the way, all the images and videos that you saw till now, and you'll see almost till the end, all of them are generated with all these products. And a real example, this is not theory, so it was on air on the NBA Finals. It's an ad created by one single person in 2 or 3 days. And it was, I think, 2,000. It's $2,000. It's here, big, and I don't see it. Yeah, OK. So according to the company who did this, it was a 95% reduction of the costs for the ad.
Indiana gonna win, baby!
We're in Florida asking people what they put their money on! I'm all in on OKC!
Indiana got that dog in them!
Will egg prices go up this month?
I think we'll hit $20. How many hurricanes do you think we'll have this year?
Kalshi!
Kalshi lets you legally trade on anything, anywhere in the U.S.
OKC!
Indy! OKC!
Yeah, so almost everything here was done with VO. Okay, some manipulations, or some edits from the person, from the real person, but the most part was done by the AI here. And Imagen, if you want to create some new images, like you are putting the text, the prompt, and after that, from that prompt, you are getting the image that you want. Here, you can, again, you are getting an image. Something is not OK. You can edit. You can change the prompt. Or in some cases, you can use other tools to create the prompt. And the one for sounds, it should start now. So this is, again, generated by AI. And by the way, yeah, so, OK, I will say it now. By the way, a company had a task to to create a radio station. So they used this product, and they generated from zero around 40 songs that were running on their radio station. And now I will show you some examples or scenarios, use cases, or recommendations on how to use all these products, like you have here with Imagen, yeah? Generating an image, and after that, putting the clothes that you want to use for that model. With Gemini Flash, you are combining the model itself and the wearing. And of course, let's put some video and music. Everything with all these 4 tools. Again, you can do an ad, you can promote the product. Again, VO for video, Gemini for the description, and Imagen to tailor or to build the image that you want. So this is another scenario that I saw very interesting. The interesting part, because it's also about scale, if it gives you a possibility to very easy localize the content, yeah? Like here. So you are giving a script, you are giving the product, and after that, a list of like in this case, locations, yeah? And it will generate that scooter in different locations around the world with just one script. This is, I think Nike is doing this with their shoes to put them in different environments or different scenarios, something like that. Yeah, this one is, I think it's for content generation. And now going back to options where you can do this. So if you want to test the tools, we built a tool, and it's now published on GitHub. So you can go there. You have the scripts. I will show you later. It's like this. So all these APIs are integrated in this platform. And with a few scripts, you'll just deploy the instance on Cloud Run. You have there the Terraform scripts. You have everything. Deploy and play. Because of the time, I will just show you the platform. If you want to see it, well, there is a QR code. If you want to scan it, I don't know if it's visible. It's not a proper location. But I will show the interface, and you will see. You can search for GenMedia Creative Studio. You will find it there, and you can enter. OK, so let me show you the. OK, while it's loading, let me show you the platform. So this is the platform itself. Again, it's running on Cloud Run in Google Cloud. Serverless, it can easily spin up and go down depending on how many users are accessing the platform. And you have here everything, Imagen, Veo, all the ones that I told you. For example, for video, I see you have the text, yeah? You have this is text to video, image to text, yeah? Like image to text. You can add your image, or if this is deployed inside your company, like I'm using here with some other colleagues, you can put there a library of images that are already there, yeah? Like I played earlier. I want to show you this one, yeah? I tested. Let me go. So if it's a company, you can put, have a cloud storage secured, and you'll take care of the access. And you can put there the images, I don't know, maybe logo or branding, colors, and so on. Put there on that cloud storage bucket. When someone is accessing it, it can go here and take that one and put it just. I will show you with this Fennec Fox because my daughter is likes a lot this fox. I don't know why. I don't know. Yeah, and let's try to build a video. Yeah, I like create. On the let's say Bucharest. Yeah. OK, let's make it fast. You can enhance this. You can even rewrite the text. Well, Gemini will help you to rewrite this prompt to make it more clear or more advanced for the person. Yeah. Where is the video? OK, let's do it. Yeah. While it's loading, it takes a few seconds. Let me show you the platform. So this is the platform on Google Cloud Platform, Vertex AI, GitHub. Yeah, you have here. You see everything here. Yeah, and even the instructions on how to deploy it. Yeah, if you want, you can even deploy it on your custom domain. On my side, if you saw the URL, it's the Cloud Run URL. If you want, you can deploy it on your instance. You can manage the access of who is accessing the tool itself. I think it's here. Yeah. So it's here. You have there the ADP identity access management, like here. Yeah. So via load balancer identity proxy to make sure that only the ones who has access will go there, yeah, and will not consume. Yeah. The gods of live demo are not with me today, yeah? But I did this one. I was expecting somehow that it will happen. So the images that, so I picked one of my picture. I also took this Mexican wearing, and I decided to test how I will look in this one, yeah? So it's doing this, yeah? We can try one more time, but I don't know if it will work. Let's see. Meanwhile, I still have a few minutes while it's trying to do again. If you have any questions, 1, 2. No, let's wait. No. In this case, if you don't have questions, let me try this way. I still have time, yeah? OK. So if it's not working, I will give back a few minutes for the next speaker to see. OK, so yeah, very easy to test it. You will need just a Google Cloud account, a project there, and this is it. You can have the same interface. Of course, it's open source, it's on GitHub. You can play there, see the code, test it, modify it, do it whatever you want. And that's it, yeah. So I think maybe my colleagues are at work right now and they are destroying my, my instance. OK, yeah, it's not working. OK, that's it then. So maybe I will, again, no question. Please. I don't hear you very well, so maybe after that. But because you raised your hand, we have the video, yeah? So this is the fox, and this is the, it seems somehow close to Bucharest, maybe. Yeah, thank you.